good Young Mars 700 production. Eat good, me peoples. Today we're going to do a seafood boil, and we aren't just going to keep the shrimps for now, Going to keep it basic. If you just got something you want to just throw up in there at home, you want to keep it basic. You don't want to put anything in there. Are you just a person that likes shrimp, preferably over the crawfish and all the other seafoods, So here you got right here. What I like to do, as you can see that simmering already, I like to buy the potatoes where, they come in a bag. They're very small. I still cut them up, dice them up just right, throw them in there, get them cooking about 20 minutes or however long you need, however you make your potatoes, however good your fire is. And then right now we got, you see right here, bell peppers, a little few bell peppers, onions. Most importantly, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have this lemon. You gotta have a lemon. You know what I mean? We got the crawfish, shrimp, and crab boiled. Everybody know about that, Old Bay. And I got that good old Cajun sauce, So with that, got all that right there. Some good sausages, I like them real hot, I'm a hot type of person. Got me some good shrimp. And I got the corn. Right there, the corn is still frozen. So the best thing with that is, you already got the potatoes. I like to do it like this, is even better. Because a lot of people that be cooking, they just throw it all in there. You gotta understand certain things need different treatment of cooking and need different temperatures, different timing. So my technique is this. Right now I'm gonna throw this cooked corn in there. But before I throw the corn in there, I'm gonna get me a good old knife I like. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cut up this good bell pepper, good sizes. That way it can get you your good flavors outside of just the seasoning. You got good flavors. You got the the little moisture textures and all that good things. Cut this up real good. Like to cut it in good sizes. Remind you, not too small, because if you cut it too small, you gotta understand, anything you cook with, definitely in this type of foods, they're gonna shrink. So you want a good size, you can get the flavor. You don't want it to have your food looking just right, because that creates its own little oils. Get that like that. Dice it real good. Put that like that. I'm gonna throw that in there right now. As you see, it's only 2 people eating this. Simple. Throw that in there like that. One thing about it though, the after look, man, you're gonna be like, man, damn, man, you good, me people. And you're gonna be saying that all night. You might go to sleep and dream about it. Okay, put that in there now. I'm gonna get your onion. Cut it up a bit. Because that onion gonna bring some good natural flavors too. Okay, you do that. If you dice it just right, you ain't even gotta keep cutting it. You just, once it get in that fire, it's gonna fall apart too, though, So you just gotta give it that good finish touch. That last thing right there, you can come like this if you need to. So that's good like that. Look at that. Come like that. Get all that. Put that in there. You get that like that, then What you could do, add a little Old Bay. Mind you, ain't gotta put too much because you know we got this crawfish seasoning. That's right. Once you get that, then I like to do is get the lemons cut good. You want to have your food just right. You want to do everything according to how you want to move fast. So that way you ain't got nothing just slowing you down. You know, you're doing everything at your speed. Comfortable in the kitchen is one of the best things to be. And that comes from good preparation and a good performance. See, that's hot. That's how you want it. Because you gotta remember, once after I do this, I'm throwing the corn in. Corn, when it's frozen already, that's gonna bring a little water. So remember, sometimes don't worry about the water wise. You know, just put a good thing in there, good thing of water, good portion, and then let some of your other things that you know that's gonna bring water, depending on what you're making, bring it. But you always want to cook the shrimps last. You know, you could put it, you could kind of put the shrimps and grill them if you want to, depending on how fast or how, you know, when you gonna throw them in there. Me personally, I'm just doing this right now, you know, because you gotta understand, shrimps observe, you know, the juices and everything. So, you know, I kept 4 right there, 4 lemons right there. Now I'm gonna get to these bad sausages. Bad boy's hot, but you know, I love hot, spicy things. So my wife gotta bear with them. And with that, you know, I'm gonna cut these just right. Perfect size, because what I'm gonna do with the sausages, I'm about to grill these a little bit. You know, I'm gonna grill them that way. You know, they got a little, you know, they got that good old done taste. They also got that taste that they create and pick up with the seafood oil. Got 2 of them. Now look, this is what I'm gonna do with this. Put a couple of these in there. Corn, you gotta understand, corn is so good. Definitely put a seafood oil. Man, corn. Man. And then when you know how to season well, it's gonna observe everything. So, you know, I like to put a lot in there. I'm gonna put the rest of this, like I say, you know. I'm putting whatever we had already in the kitchen. Not they're ready to add it. See how that look? It looks simple, right? But you'll see later, baby. You'll see later. With that, I'm about to go get a, you know, I can get a water. Add some water in there. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of this. Just a little. Make sure you get everywhere. Turn these bad boys on right here. Like them to get a good even cook. Like I say, you want to cook them with a good size because they're gonna shrink a little, you know. And then right now, this only a serving for 2 people, so I don't gotta do too much, you know. So in a gumbo dish. You see, here's a seafood dish with just shrimp, no crawfish, no crab. I got that right there. Extra stuff like that I put up, you know. That's okay. Turn it up a little bit to like 4 or 5. Get it back cooking. We got these bad things right here. I'm gonna throw the whole bag in there. When I throw the whole bag in there, like I say, I might add a little more water. That way, you know, everything is evenly good. You know, these right here, sausages, they gonna bring some good old oils and, you know, textures and everything too. These right here comes to suck up things, you know, they come up. I wanna be fluffy, I wanna look good like you. I wanna eat good with me people, so you know what I'm saying? Where's all the good juice, herbs and spices and everything else, you know? So that's what they come to. You know what I'm saying? And you'll notice they don't look right. They definitely don't look right. You know what I mean? Production is everything, like I say. Good performance, man. See, they already getting right here. I need this anyway. I almost have a little sick and everything, so this gonna help the guy. And see, as you see, this reel's like a non-stick type of thing. So it keeps your oils and everything on point. As long as you know how to cook with it, you know your temperature is good, you know. Have to keep flipping them sometimes, time to time. That way the juice can also be on the inside on top of the outside. Over flipping it with this, right? Get them that good cook. As you see all that juicy seed. Man, that's what you want to see, man. You don't want to get the skin all that burning. Don't get me wrong. You want your stuff to look a little spot. Not even look a little, but you want that texture of the grillness. You know what I mean? You can do that too, but the way that you do it, that way it could, you know, look just right. Turn this up more, I guess. You know, I smell it already, man. Lord. Outside decor, put this in other spots. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm surely bringing the juice to creative herbs and spices. Man, that looks so good, man. See how that look already? Lord. You getting on point. Like I say, man, you know, hey, you good, me people. It don't take much to do it. You know, all it takes is a good performance, doing, you know, a good job, working as chef, you know what I mean, doing your job correct, you good, you know what I mean? Performance is everything. Some people like to do a high performance real fast, and they ain't even got the skills yet. You know? See, that's what I'm talking about. See how it's speeding up? That's a little bit of the grill look. You know what I mean? So I'm working with the fire, so as I hear the fire doing what it does, I'm already on top of it. You feel me? That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby, that's what you do, man. You know what I'm talking about? That's what you do. Now that right there, basically done. It's basically done, jig. That's done. Fire on. You know? But that right there, I just wanted to have that like that. So what I'm gonna do is now add a little bit more to this, so I can get it a little darker seasoning. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add these sausages. See, that's a lot of oil. I'm not putting all that in there. Add that on the sides. Let me get all that oil out. Because now all it's gonna do is get in there with the little oil it got. It's gonna add to it, you know. See, now you see the looks of it. Juice is getting a little darker. And there you got it. You feel me? That's what you do. Put this back on there. Let it simmer some good time. And then in a minute, add the shrimp, and then we'll be good to go. You know what I'm saying? Huh?
Or eggs.
Oh yeah, gotta get the eggs. And except for thing right here, do the eggs.
Just come up.
Like I say, it's just enough. It's only 5. Normally we do 6. Normally we do 6, 3 apiece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the eggs and something separate. That way, while the eggs is being cooked, everything gonna speed itself at the correct timing. That's all it is, timing. As my wife showed you guys a little bit of everything. Before she get done, I'm gonna throw these eggs in there. We do about 5, normally 6, 3 apiece. That's done. I told you, I'm working with what I already got in the kitchen. I ain't buying nothing or nothing. This is already what's in the kitchen. You know? So working with what already in the kitchen, it's always gonna do you some good. When you just wanna taste something real simple and good. Eat good, me peoples. So when we start seasoning the herbs got right there. So I gotta turn this on. What I like to do when I got eggs, I mean, I believe a lot of people do it, but some people don't do it. You know what I'm saying? I put a little salt. That way, you know, they can get that boiling fast. And everything, you know? So, as they'll be prepared, you know, this right here is gonna be on the way too. As you know, we still cooking. We still getting it right, man. Matter of fact, before you guys go anywhere, look at this. Just look at the demonstration already. You know what I mean? I just put it in there. You guys seen it already. Look at the demonstration already. Man, you know what I'm saying? Looks just right. It's tasty, baby. It's what you want. You want a natural taste, but you still want some of that little, you know, that other taste that you know you don't want to eat that. You know what I mean? That oily, all that. Look at that. Like I said, them small potatoes. You know, you got the vegetables in there. Lemons. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Corn doing what it do. See that corn though? Should I keep it like that, babe? So, oh yeah, normally sometimes I cut them up. But right now I'm making something simple and not too major, so I got a lot of room, so I'm gonna keep it like that. You dig? Talk about. Say man. It's about ready, baby. You feel me? Talk about eat good, me peoples. Look at that, man, right there. You dig? You know, don't want to put the camera too close because, you know, that good old, you know, steam will get right there. But, you know, I'm about to add these shrimp, baby. It's a count of what, 45? No, 41 to 50. Putting all them things in. Like I say, you know, the shrimp, they like to suck up the juice. So don't forget, just because it sucks up the juice don't mean the spices and everything ain't on point still, you know. Sometimes, you know, and then it's a little water in here too because they frozen, you know. Say man, I'm back at you. Eat good, me peoples. That Mars production. I'm back at you with this here's finished touch. You know, look, it's similar right now. Turn it up high just so you guys can see how it's similar. You know what I'm saying? This pot right here, I'm gonna keep it real. You can just put it on low, it's gonna keep your shit hot. So I love that, baby. You know, I put the eggs in there. Everything looking good. Turn that thing off right there. See, I like to put things down on something good because, you know, it's like performance is everything, man. And, you know, I like to really cook, so it's all about showing off, man. Good skills along with making shit look good, man. You know, not just making it look good, showing that it's good with the good productive presentation on top of, you know what I'm saying? People can look at it. You know, people can look at some foods and be like, man, that shit looks so tasty, man. I can only imagine. When you really a chef or a good cooker, you know what I'm talking about. I'm just, you know, loading our plates up. How many corns you want, babe?
3.
Ooh, look, she, you know, yeah, she feeling herself.
You can just give me 2, actually.
Babe, it's good.
Give me 2 because if I want to have more later, I want to make sure I have a corn. So.
Okay. You know that later gonna be one of the things you don't want. I try to even it up good. You know, make sure everybody got something good. You know, good enough for everything. Shrimp, potatoes. Normally when I make it with the crawfish and everything, you know, I try to give my babe more because, you know, she don't eat that. So, you know, as a man, you gotta work with your significant other. Because we can eat. Some more shrimp. As I get it back on, show them some of that production too. You know what I'm saying? You know, it looks good, man. You know, I could throw some seasoning on top too. Give you a little bit more of a look. Matter of fact, I'm gonna throw a little bit on top. You know why I'm gonna throw a little bit on top? because this here is the finished touch, baby. And with this here has been the finished touch. That look, see, look, I only lose a little bit. I already, used some before, so, this right here, I'm gonna tell you that right now. I'm just thinking you just gonna throw the whole bag in there, man. I don't care how big it is, man. You gotta really, portion it and really see what it tastes like. Cause, yeah, man, your mouth gonna be burning, man. I like spicy things, but last time I did this, I tell you, I put so much stuff in there, it was crazy. She got her too, I got mine. Like I say, this is the finished touch. Throw a lemon on there, throw a lemon on hers. Get one of these lemons, do it like this. Get another lemon and do it like this. You know what I'm saying? And there you have it, man. Candy Camera with Young Mark Production. Eat good, me people. Eat good.